Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Dexscreener. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet extension is installed and active in your browser. Then, open a new browser tab and go to the official Dexscreener website. Once there, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. This button initiates the connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet on Dexscreener, a list of compatible wallets will appear. Choose MetaMask from this selection. A pop-up window from your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection. Carefully review the details and confirm the connection. This action grants Dexscreener permission to view your public wallet address, but not to access your funds. Once approved, your MetaMask wallet address should now be visible on the Dexscreener interface, typically where the Connect Wallet button used to be. You can now explore various trading pairs, view real-time charts, and access other data provided by Dexscreener. Remember to disconnect your wallet when you are done to maintain good security practices. This is usually done by clicking your wallet address. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your MetaMask wallet is unlocked and updated to the latest version. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve connection problems. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or restarting your computer. Also, remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the crypto markets with your connected wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.